Oh, please be putting that in the fire.
That's fucking
I want to see
crazy.
you putting it in there.
Hey everyone, so I'm just gonna get this vlog started. Oh, what a really busy day it was. So I woke up, I had therapy at 10:30, and as soon as therapy was over, I had to leave and go to my work luncheon. Therapy was good. I talked the whole time. Went to the work luncheon. It was really nice to see everyone. It's always really nice to see the family, and I'm so appreciative of them doing the Christmas luncheon. It's just, I think, a really nice gesture. And it was really delicious food. I didn't take any pictures of my food this year. For my appetizer, I had two of these little, like, I can't make the triangle shape, but it was like these little spinach pie things. Like these little, probably about this big was a spinach pie. I had two of those, a jumbo shrimp, and a little bit of cocktail sauce. And then it was like this, like, whole grain Triscuit type thing. I don't even know how to explain it. It was like this long. And I had two different types of cheeses. Didn't know the name of either one, but both were so good. And I ate those with the biscuit. Those are my appetizers. The main course, I had steak or a filet, some potatoes, which I have to tell you something funny about the potatoes. So they use yellow potatoes, this company that catered. And I was watching, I don't even know what coworker, but they were scooping potatoes onto their plate. And I'm like, why the heck are they scooping lemons like that onto their plate? I thought that it was lemons because they're little yellow potatoes and they're like cut into like into quarters, you know, they're little potatoes cut into quarters. And and I was like, I see green beans and I see meat, but why is there like a tin of lemons? Where's like potatoes? And it turns out that was potatoes. So yeah, I had some potatoes and then I had some green beans. Oh, so good. And then I had a little bit of salad and one little crouton, which was really crunchy. The food was so good, but I was 3/4 of the way done with my steak. Like I probably had about 5 bites left. I had about 2 pieces of potato left and green beans. And I was like, I am so full. I am like, last year at the luncheon, if I remember correctly, I could have just kept, like, I could have had more. And this year, this was the first thing I ate all day. And it was just like, I'm so full. And I was like, but I'm not wasting any of this. And I didn't want to take it home. I'm like, there's really not that much left. So I just finished it. And I'm still really not that hungry. I had a snack before I went to this tree lighting ceremony that I will talk about. I forgot to mention that I wanted to show you my photos from over the years going to this, and this year I am the smallest I've been in a very long time. I had to leave there. I was there for about an hour and then I left, and then I had to go to my psychiatrist appointment. I talked with her about stuff, and I was thinking that I was going to end the appointment with a med change, but she thinks that I'm actually handling things really well, and that my quick to be irritated and like angry and, you know, some of these things that I'm going through may not be medication related, but it might just be grief still. And that makes sense because I'm still really grieving and it's really hard, but I'm speaking kindly to myself about it, because while it is hard for me to not feel guilty for grieving, because I just feel guilty often because I wasn't as close with my brother as, like, my one brother was really close to him, and I wasn't his wife, I wasn't his kids, like, so I was hard on myself last week a little bit about that. But then I spoke kindly to myself and reminded myself that I am allowed to grieve and that I did love him and that this is normal. So just like I would never tell anybody that, like, it's not, like, I wouldn't look at my brother and be like, okay, it's been, 2 months, you should stop feeling this way. Like, I would never say that to him, and I know that he would never say that to me either. So anyway, long story short, keeping meds the same, not doing anything. Then we had to go to a meeting for Sadie, and it was actually our last meeting with this lady, and I was really sad because we just really grew to love and care about her. I'm gonna miss her a lot. Then from there, we came home. That's when I had my snack and some water. And then we left to go to the hospital that my brother died at for a tree lighting ceremony. It was in honor of him. My sister-in-law and my niece and nephew were given the honor of lighting the tree, and my niece was the one who clicked the button to light it. I will show you the picture of the tree. It's going to be right here, but I'm not going to show the video of them lighting it. I don't want to post them on here. It was really beautiful. Like the little speech that the lady that works there gave about Troy's story was beautiful, and I teared up a lot, and it's just really hard. I miss him so much, and Christmas is a really hard time. It was emotional, and then my anxiety was so bad, and because I'm just surrounded by all these people that I don't know, and I'm just anxious, and like I'm really hard on myself because I wasn't around family for several years due to my own mental health problems. And I know that I had to work on myself so that I could be myself and be around family, but I just felt like I was hard on myself and felt like I was telling myself like, oh, you don't belong here, like you shouldn't be here. And I know that's not true. I know that my brother would be very proud of me for showing up, and he'd be like, I thought for sure you'd come up with an excuse. Because that's what I used to do. Like, not just to family, but to friends too. Like, I used to always come up with an excuse not to do something. And now, if I'm really not okay, I will just tell my friends, like, look, I'm really not okay. I'm not going to make it out. And they're always understanding. And anyway, sorry. Yeah, so the tree lighting ceremony was really nice, and then we went down the hall. They had some holiday cookies and hot cocoa, which was so good. It wasn't hot, it was like warm, but it was really good. So yeah, we enjoyed some of that, and I'm really happy that I went tonight, and my anxiety was worth it. Because it felt good to be there to support not just my brother, but my sister-in-law and my niece and nephew, and just be there because I think it's important, and I missed out on enough, you know, and I'm trying to fix that. So anyway, Chandler, Yummy, oh yummy, Yummy. Look at this little handsome shit. Oh, you can only see his butthole. Yeah, you want... Oh, snuggles. Yeah. Kitties are the best. Yeah, look at this little man. You're handsome, Yummy. Yeah. Tomorrow, I get my teeth fixed, and I'm really anxious about it. I am very excited because it'll be really nice to have them fixed, but I'm also so nervous. So for now, I will bid you adieu, and I will see you in the next one. I'm just waiting on Kyle. We're gonna go to the dentist to get my teeth fixed. I will post the pictures I took from my befores, and then I will share pictures of after. I'll share them like a comparison. But I'll be back after. I'm really nervous because it just makes me nervous. But I have my headphones. They said I could listen to music or YouTube or whatever, so I have those. So I'm hoping that like not hearing the sounds will help. Yeah, we're gonna get through this. Gonna get through it. I haven't even eaten today because I'm so nervous. I took a vitamin though. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. I can't wait until I'm filming the after. I hate the dentist. Here's the before. As you can see, the two front are broken. I'm waiting in the chair. I'm waiting nervously. Here I am all numbed up. And the after. Beautiful. few minutes. I need to warm my toesies. Here we go again. Look at my little snow on it. Good morning and happy Monday. It is early and I am tired and I don't know what today's gonna bring. Oh, my teeth. I don't think I ever did show you. It's been a long week. Anyway, let's weigh in.
Hello. It's ready. $348.2 pounds. $347.6 pounds. $348.0 pounds.
Can I just get the same number twice in a row?
348.0 pounds.
Alright, that's what we're sticking with. Not bad. I lost weight from last week, so I'm alright with that. My ankle's really messed up. I gotta call the doctor this week because
Goodbye.
I can hardly walk on it. So I haven't been able to exercise. Can't really do much at all. So anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. Oh yeah, calorie calendar. So last week I was 352.6. Had my 12th injection of Manjaro. Did not exercise because ankle. And today I weighed in at 348, losing 4.6 pounds. Alright, that's it. I love you guys. I'll talk to you next week. Bye.